Like who?
Look at what you see. The mirror.
Alright. Yeah, I hope you don't mind. I got up from my order, so I took the liberty of milking your cow for you. Yeah, it took a little while to get her warmed up. She sure is a stubborn one.
We don't have a cow. We have a bull.
Butterfly in the sky. I can go twice as high. Take a look. It's in a book. A reading rainbow.
After they told me to stop eating their socks for the 14,245,335th time.
Got lost in the
Welcome to Loki's Day Spa.
Crazy dog, that's just my crazy dog. That's just my crazy dog. Come here. Hey, come here. You little crazy dog. Come here. Hey, come here. You little crazy dog. Hey, woke up to my dog doing yoga.
Watching TV with dad be like, blah blah blah. Can't understand nothing. Why am I not eating anything? This is ridiculous.
Men their fields of grain. Even trees have to worry about the soil beneath their roots. But we Harfoots are free from the worries of the wide world. We are but ripples in a long, long stream. Our path set by the passing seasons.
This was kind of tough. I saw this quote that said, "Now I have to remember you for longer than I've known you."
I'm hungry.
Okay, well, don't be such a baby. I cooked you some bacon for a trail snack.
I ate it already.
What?
I could smell it in your purse before I even parked my car. And now it's gone, and I hate everything.
teaching my dog how to speak.
What do you want, baby? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want?
3 a.m. every night. Totally regret it.
Run.
Decide to stay overnight. Services include personal wake-up call, prompt personal delivery of toilet paper,
Earn my pay. Hard work, do it every day. Get up out of 2:45. Got to go and earn my pay.
Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof.
Loki, watch. Oh,
Look at that, Loki. Look at Oh, no, the love.
For the first time in my life, I can see that the lucky one is not me.